Hello and welcome to today's lesson on inverse of exponential functions, logarithmic functions. The two graphs are inverses of each other. The graph f of x is equal to e to the x, which is the graph on the left, and the inverse of f of x would be g of x, which is natural log x on the right. The inverse function is defined as the inverse of a regular function, which means you switch the x and y values around. In these tables below, it shows that the x values are switched around with the y values. So these y values here become the x values in the inverse here. A logarithmic function is defined as the inverse of an exponential function. So the black graph is x squared, and the inverse of it would be root x.
So you have y equals e to the x, and you switch the x and y's, so it comes out to x equals e to the y. Then you solve for y to find the inverse function of e to the x, which comes out to log base e of x, which equals natural log of x. Overall, remember that an inverse function can be found by flipping the x and y values, and that a logarithmic function is the inverse of an exponential function. This concludes the lesson. Thanks for watching.